Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create epic or fantasy sky on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC, and as you can see that I have imported my video to this CapCut project, and I'm going to create epic or fantasy sky for this video. So the first thing we're going to do is adding the cinematic earth to this timeline. You can get the cinematic earth picture or video from the internet, and for me I'm going to add the cinematic earth from CapCut. So we can tap on the library, then click on the scenery category, this one. Then I'm going to add the cinematic earth video to my CapCut project like this, and I'm going to overlay it, okay, and adjust the length. Alright, and we're going to rotate this video, so you can tap on this button to rotate it like this, and I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and after that we're going to duplicate this clip as an overlay. We can right click on the clip, then we can click on copy and click on right click again, then you can click on paste. Okay, and after that we're going to click on the mask option. You can tap on the mask option right here, then select the horizontal mask. Okay, and we're going to rotate the mask like this. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the position of this earth because I want to make it looks natural. So I'm going to drag this line like this, and I'm going to drag the earth. Okay, then we can go to this clip again, and then you're going to click on this button to blend the earth with the sky. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. We can play the video. Alright, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create epic or fantasy sky on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.